Welcome, everyone. Today we are going to explore how to use the law of attraction effectively in manifesting prayers that can significantly enhance your financial life. The law of attraction is a powerful universal law that suggests we attract into our lives whatever we focus on. It operates on the principles of energy and vibration, asserting that like attracts like. This means your thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and actions send out a specific energy that attracts similar energy back to you. Let's delve into how you can harness this law to manifest financial abundance through focused prayer. The first step in using the law of attraction is understanding the power of intention. Your intention sets the direction for your energy and is the seed from which your reality grows. When it comes to manifesting money, your intention should not just be about attracting more money. Instead, focus on what this money represents to you. Is it freedom, security, the ability to give generously? Clarifying your intention is not just about stating what you want, but feeling it deeply within your spirit. Now, consider this. What does true financial abundance feel like to you? Imagine living a life where financial limitations no longer stress you. How does that change your daily experience? This exercise is crucial because the law of attraction is not just about thinking, but about feeling. The emotions you associate with your desires are powerful attractors. They are the energy that pulls your desires into your physical reality. Once your intention is clear and charged with emotional energy, the next step is to develop an unwavering belief in its manifestation. Belief is the pillar that supports your intentions. It solidifies your thought patterns and aligns your brain's neural pathways towards achieving your goals. To strengthen your belief, you must overcome doubts and cultivate a mindset of abundance. One effective way to do this is through affirmations. Repeating affirmations such as, "I am a magnet for financial prosperity," or "abundance flows freely through me," helps reprogram your subconscious mind to accept these truths. Click subscribe to this channel to get more profound spiritual lessons. Furthermore, your actions must align with your beliefs and intentions. This involves taking inspired action towards your goals. Inspired action is any activity that you are compelled to do from a place of inner guidance. It feels right and is often accompanied by a sense of excitement. This could be as simple as reading a book on financial management, attending a workshop on wealth creation, or even starting a new business venture that aligns with your passions. As we wrap up this first part, reflect on how you can apply these principles to start shaping your financial destiny. How can your current beliefs about money be transformed to support a life of abundance? Crafting your environment. Aligning your surroundings for financial manifestation. In the second segment of our exploration into using the law of attraction for manifesting financial abundance, we turn our attention to the environment around us. It's crucial to realize that our surroundings do more than just house our physical forms. They influence our thoughts, emotions, and ultimately, the energy we emit into the universe. To truly harness the power of the law of attraction, we need to consciously design our environments to reflect and support our financial goals and aspirations. The spaces we occupy, whether at home or work, act as mirrors of our internal states. If our living or working spaces are cluttered, disorganized, or in disrepair, they can reflect and reinforce feelings of chaos and lack. On the other hand, environments that are orderly, pleasing, and aligned with our intentions can enhance our vibrational output and attract the prosperity we desire. Consider the principle of feng shui, an ancient Chinese art that focuses on balancing the energies in a space. According to feng shui, the placement of objects in your home or office can influence your personal energy fields. For instance, keeping the southeast area of your space clear and well organized can enhance wealth attraction, as this area is traditionally associated with prosperity and abundance in Feng Shui practice. But alignment goes beyond just physical cleanliness and organization. Every object around you should serve a purpose, either functional or inspirational. Decorate your spaces with symbols of abundance that resonate with you personally. This could be artwork depicting lush landscapes, prosperous scenes, or even items that represent wealth and success, like gold coins or a model of a luxury car. These symbols serve as constant reminders of your financial goals and aspirations, reinforcing your intentions and keeping your energy focused. Sound also plays a critical role in shaping the energy of a space. Consider the impact of music or sound frequencies that evoke a sense of abundance and peace. Classical music or natural sounds like flowing water can elevate your vibrational state, making you more receptive to abundance. Now, let's talk about the power of color. Colors can deeply affect our mood and energy levels. For instance, green is often associated with growth and prosperity. Incorporating green elements in your decoration can subconsciously inspire thoughts of abundance. Similarly, purple is linked to wealth and luxury in many cultures. A dash of purple in your attire or decor can serve as a subtle cue to the universe of your readiness to receive wealth. Another significant aspect is the company you keep. The people around us can have a profound impact on our energy levels and our ability to manifest our desires. Surround yourself with positive, successful individuals who support your dreams and understand the power of the law of attraction. Their positive energy can reinforce your own, creating a powerful vibrational match that attracts more prosperity. Engaging with your environment also means engaging with the world at large in a way that aligns with your financial intentions. This includes the media you consume. Are you watching news broadcasts that constantly highlight economic doom and gloom, or are you selecting content that is uplifting and aligns with your mindset of abundance? Be selective about the information you absorb, as it shapes your thoughts and beliefs. As you reflect on these insights, consider how your current environment might be shaping your financial reality. What changes can you make in your physical and social environments to better support your intentions of wealth and abundance? How can you adjust your daily interactions with your surroundings to continually emit and attract the energy of prosperity? The art of crafting prayers. Communicating your financial desires to the universe. Moving deeper into our exploration of the law of attraction, we now focus on the very essence of manifesting through prayer. Prayer, in this context, isn't merely a religious ritual. It's a profound dialogue with the universe, a focused intention that harnesses your deepest desires and broadcasts them into the cosmic fabric. Understanding how to effectively formulate and use these manifesting prayers is essential if you aim to transform your financial landscape. Prayer for manifesting isn't just about asking, it's about believing and receiving. It begins with the clarity of your intentions. Your request to the universe must be clear and specific. Vague desires produce vague outcomes. Instead of merely praying for more money, articulate what more means. Specify an amount. Describe what this money will change in your life, how it will feel to have it, and what you will do with it. This specificity not only enhances your focus, but also strengthens the vibrational match between you and your desires. But clarity alone isn't enough. Emotion is the fuel that propels your intentions. When you pray, infuse your words with feelings of gratitude and joy as if your desires have already been fulfilled. This is not simply hopeful thinking, but a powerful alignment technique. Feeling grateful in advance tunes your energy to the frequency of receiving, breaking down barriers of doubt and disbelief. Imagine the joy, the freedom, and the peace of mind that comes with financial abundance. Let these emotions overflow as you communicate with the universe. Moreover, consistency in prayer is key. Regularity builds momentum. Each prayer layers upon the previous, building a stronger and clearer signal to the universe. Set aside a specific time each day for your manifesting prayer. This discipline notifies the universe that you are serious and ready to receive. It's similar to placing an order in the universe's catalog. The more precise and regular the orders, the better the universe can fulfill them. Your words, while important, are just one component. The real power lies in your belief system. You must believe not only in the possibility of achieving your desires, but also in your worthiness of receiving them. Many face the hurdle of subconscious beliefs rooted in unworthiness or guilt associated with wealth. It's crucial to address these hidden beliefs, as they can sabotage even the most fervent prayers. Engage in introspection or meditation to uncover and heal these aspects. Affirmations can also be a tool here, reinforcing your worthiness and resetting negative belief patterns. Now, visualize the outcome. Visualization is a potent tool in your spiritual arsenal. It involves creating a mental image of your desired outcome, playing it out in the theater of your mind. This practice not only reaffirms your desires, but also strengthens your emotional resonance with them. The more real it feels, the more believable it is, and the stronger your belief becomes. Whether it's visualizing checking your bank account with a specific amount, celebrating a financial milestone, or even the activities you'll engage in with your financial abundance, each detail adds depth to your prayer. Let us now reflect on the transformative power of your words and beliefs in shaping your financial destiny. How deeply do you believe in your financial goals? How aligned are your prayers with your innermost desires and beliefs? Eternal abundance, sustaining your financial manifestations through conscious living. As we conclude our journey into using the law of attraction for manifesting financial prosperity, it is crucial to understand how to sustain the gains and continue to attract abundance. The process does not end with a single act of prayer or visualization. It requires a sustained commitment to a lifestyle that supports continuous abundance. This final part of our exploration focuses on maintaining alignment with your financial manifestations and recognizing the signs that the universe supports your journey. Maintaining alignment involves integrating the principles of the law of attraction into every aspect of your life. It means continuously nurturing positive thoughts and emotions about money, even after achieving your initial goals. Remember, the universe responds to what you project. Keeping your thoughts and feelings aligned with abundance encourages a steady flow of prosperity. One critical aspect of sustaining abundance is gratitude. Gratitude is not just for what you have already received, but also for every little sign that your manifestations are on their way. This could be as simple as finding a coin on the street, receiving a gift, or even noticing an unexpected discount on a purchase. Acknowledging these as signs of abundance and expressing gratitude reinforces your vibrational alignment with wealth. Another crucial practice is mindfulness. Be mindful of your thoughts and emotions. Negative thoughts about money, such as fear of losing it or feelings of unworthiness, can create a vibrational dissonance that hampers the flow of abundance. Regular mindfulness or meditation practices can help you monitor your thought patterns and realign them towards positivity and prosperity. Acting on intuition is also vital. The universe often communicates through our intuitions or gut feelings, guiding us towards actions that align with our financial manifestations. Whether it's a nudge to attend a particular event, invest in a certain project, or connect with someone new, following these intuitive leads can open doors to unexpected opportunities for wealth creation. Furthermore, the journey towards sustained abundance must include personal growth. As you expand your knowledge and skills, particularly in financial management and investments, you increase your capacity to handle and grow your wealth. This not only involves formal education, but also learning from experiences, both your own and those of others. Engage with mentors, join financial success communities, and read extensively. Each step of learning adds a layer of stability to your financial foundation. Lastly, it is essential to give back. Sharing your success by investing in the well-being of others not only spreads joy but also amplifies your own abundance. Generosity opens the heart and creates more room for blessings to flow into your life. It establishes a cycle of giving and receiving that perpetuates wealth and goodwill. As you reflect on these principles, consider how they can be woven into the fabric of your daily life. How can you adjust your routines and habits to keep yourself perpetually aligned with the energy of financial abundance? How will you respond to the universe's cues and continue to manifest your desires? This exploration of using the law of attraction for financial abundance is more than just about acquiring wealth. It is about transforming how you interact with the universe and recognizing yourself as a co-creator of your reality. As we conclude, carry forward the understanding that the journey of abundance is ongoing and dynamic. It is a path of personal evolution, a testament to the power of your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs in shaping not just your financial reality, but your entire life experience. Are you ready to live abundantly, to continuously align yourself with the cosmos, and to embrace the eternal flow of prosperity that awaits? Let's carry this knowledge forward, integrating it into every moment of our lives, and watch as the universe unfolds its riches for us.